Fit like nou. Welcome to part 7 of Learn Scottish Words. Doric Scots. The tongue of the north-east of Scotland. Now, the next word is bossy. Now, bossy just means a small rug or a wee mat that you would be doing at the fireside or at the front door for folk coming in and wiping their feet on. So that's a bossy. And as picture here, this is another example of a wee bossy. Now the next word is blooded. Blooded. And it just means sharp soiled. And as you can see in this picture, this is a picture of a sharp soiled sark. So it's blooded. Now the lad in this picture, as you can see, there's holes down the side of his sark. So his sark is blooded. That's the word blooded. And the next word is bullies. Now, not to be confused by the school bully. It bullies you. This means marbles. Bullies is our word for marbles. And that takes me back to my days in a primary school, when we used to play bullies in the playground. And as picture, you can see some right bonny bullies, and I would have been fair tricked with bonny bullies when I was a bairn. And I used to be pretty good at the bullies. I won a lot of bullies. I teen him more bullies than fit to get to school with or get to the squeal with, because we call the school the squeal. So that's bullies and squeal. Now the next word is ale. Ale. Now ale just means like lemonade, but it covers all the different soft drinks. It's not just lemonade, it's cola. It can be a glass of cola. It can be ginger beer. This is still ale. That's what we call ale. All different types and flavours of soft drinks. So it can be ginger beer, it can be Murray cup, it can be a iron brew, a glass of iron brew. Now iron brew is Scotland's Ither national drink. So it's a very good drink to drink, iron brew, soft drink. Now that's ale and all. And as you can see in this photo, this is the Bonaccord ale money. Now, this lorries east of Glenrowan, Aberdeenshire, northeast of Scotland, and they delivered ale, all different flavours, cola and whatever. And they delivered right to your house, whether it was in a wee village or a town or whatever. And this was a Bonaccord ale money. Now I don't ken if this company's still na go or no, but they certainly didn't come round the wee villages now. And I don't think it would be often profitable for them. But that's a Bonaccord ale money. and that Larry used to come round the door, and he would shout to your mother, "What's the ale, Manny? Full muckle bottles are you sicking a day, and fit kind of ale?" Now, the last word is speer, and it just means to ask somebody, so you speer them. And that's a wee loony speering a Bopby for directions. Now, I hope you enjoyed that now, and I'll catch you after.